Let's do it.
All right, man. So let me tell a brief story about these.
Sneakers with stories.
No intentions on purchasing these. I didn't even really like them. The colorway. It's not that I didn't. Let me walk that back. It's not that I didn't like them. There was a color of them that I was in love with.
Okay.
When I attempted to get the color that I liked or that I loved, I couldn't. They sold out. I hit my guy. He was out of them, balls. And so I chalked it up. I was at an event, EYL, and before that was on a Saturday. So Friday night, I was flipping through my sneaker sites. I saw these pop up and I was like, you know what? I thought I saw something somewhere else, a jacket somewhere else that would kind of match this.
That'll do it.
Once that started, I was like, you know what? Maybe I should pick these up. I saw this jacket. The jacket's crazy dope. I had been thinking about purchasing the jacket, but wasn't sure what I was going to put on my feet with it. I was actually going to end up doing something else that I'm glad I didn't do. We go to EYL on Saturday. We're at this event they had, and there's a kid who's walking up the aisle with the jacket on that I just saw Friday night. And I saw it in person, and I was like,
That's enough.
that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
I grabbed my phone. I text my guy. Shout out to Ducky at Major. I said, Ducky, do you still have these in my size? He was like, absolutely. I said, hold them. I'm on my way. I had another stop to go to for something else.
This is going down right now.
Right now. When I got there and saw them in person, I was like,
Well, what were you thinking the entire time?
how did I not know? But I had to see them in person to really grab, and then seeing the jacket. Since then, I've picked up some outerwear besides that jacket that you would. I just need the temperature to get to like
Drop a little
40.
bit.
The temperature get to 40. I am crushing them.
Man.
So let's get into
Let's
these.
go, man. Let's go. Okay, what we got here? Ah, nice. Okay.
There's a lot happening here that does not normally happen on an Air Max 1. A lot.
First thing up, Joe does it again with the women's joints.
Yes, sir.
You gotta think different, y'all. If you want to try to keep up with this guy, you gotta think different.
On the other side of the aisle.
But don't be too proud, son. It's all fabrics at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It's a lot going on with these, yo. So this is like a whole caramel kind of thing. You know what I mean?
It's like a
camel caramel.
like a latte situation.
Latte, you know what I'm saying?
They're about to have us Ray and Ghostin up here.
I feel like I was just about to say, I feel like describing these like I'm Raekwon. In voice of Raekwon.
I'm telling you.
This shit is like you know
yeah.
what I'm saying? It's like going to the store for some candy or some shit.
I will say that when Nike, because they don't do this to men, Nike.
Pause.
When they go premium anything for women's sneaker,
They go all
the feeling that you get when you put these things on another level.
All right, so let's go. Let's get started. So, because I'm sitting here, just the premium materials are just apparent as soon as they hit your hands.
Yeah.
Right. So you got a gum sole, right? Which, so a gum sole you usually see against like some white or some black or something like that. This, of course, the entire shoe is all pretty much one tone. We'll say that tone. And then the midsole is like this. It's like this. What is this? Caramel. This is this caramel. There's different shades of caramel.
Yeah.
Type of thing, right?
So it looks like these two and that
Same color.
and the edge of the are the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is this sole exactly how an Air Max sole usually is?
No, sir.
No, because
What they did was they normally leave it rubber. They wrapped the sole in leather.
well, yeah, I wasn't even talking about that. So it is the same. It does
the same
dip.
style. Yeah,
it
it's the same
dips.
style. Yeah.
So the sole is wrapped in leather.
The sole is wrapped
The
in
midsole
leather.
is leather.
And this is butter leather, ladies and
It's
gentlemen.
crazy. The materials on these, out of here.
Nuts.
Okay, all right. So yes, it's the same dip in the back. It just looks crazy because it's wrapped in fucking leather, yo. What is that? Who does that?
Who does that? Yeah.
Who does that? So then you can the classic strip all the way around, or 3/4 of the way around is the nice premium leather as well. I mean, it's just like these are insane, son.
Yeah.
What you can hardly describe them. So then the toe box is this beautiful suede.
Yep.
I mean, and then the accent here in the check and the accents in the front. What is this considered? Like a alligator?
Like alligator?
It's an alligator.
Yeah.
It's like an alligator. The leather on the side panel and in the back on the heel. A different shade, whatnot, also premium. And it's a different texture as well.
Yeah.
Right? It's slightly distressed.
Yep.
Slightly. The Nike embossed on the back. Embossed, debossed.
Mm-hmm.
We always play with those words.
But then there's a shine to it.
I was just getting there because the light is bouncing off of it.
Yeah.
There's a shine to it. I wonder what they did to do that.
I don't know.
Right, because it's not separate. It's the same material. Whatever they did, they must have added something to it to make
Yeah.
it shine like that. It's not patent leather, is what I'm getting at. Shoestrings is waxed. I see that.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? High quality there. The eyelet on the top is gold, which makes all the sense in the world with the color of this shoe.
And then the end of the shoestring.
Yeah, see, I just want to enjoy that. Let me get to some more. The end of the shoestrings, the gold tips as well, just to hurt people's feelings a little bit more when you're out. All right, so that's just the regular fabric on the inside of the tongue. Yeah, the tongue is just kind of like the mesh type of material, and they got leather around the tongue though. It's leather. Nice cushiony on the inside. Nothing. This is regular. This is part for the course with the cushion.
Yeah.
Well, for Max,
Well, no, this one is a little more foamy.
a little bit more.
Yep.
Yeah, I see there's like a double
Because the
foam.
ones I
that
have on
has-
right now do not feel like that in here.
I do not feel like that.
They do
What is this, like a terry
And
cloth?
those the other ones are females also. White one.
It's like a terry cloth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Put
These
extra
shits-
padding on the tongue.
These are okay. So the tongue has a little extra than they usually have. Let me see here. Yeah, nice and cushiony on the heel too. Then same color on the inside of the air bubble as well. These make me want to go to Georgetown and buy a leather coat.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
I'm talking about circa '96. Leather coat status. Yeah, these just is tough, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are hard, man. It's like, yeah, those nuts.
Yeah.
Those nuts.
That's it. There's nothing more. That's all to it.
You ain't gonna see nobody with them.
Nah. And they're there. They are there.
They're
They're everywhere.
These are women's joints.
Yeah. So the ones I originally wanted were burgundy. And they do the exact same thing. It's set up the whole thing is like deep Merlot, like really rich burgundy. And the eyelets are gold and the end of the shoestrings are gold. And that's what I originally was shooting for.
Until you saw the jacket.
Until I saw the jacket. Then I saw the kid in the jacket, which, you know what I mean?
Yeah, them shits is nasty, yo.
Yeah.
the alligator shit just like breaks
Yeah.
it all apart. That's dope. It's like a fucking leather chair on your foot. Mm-hmm. Nike really does. You know, when they go premium, they go premium, yo.
They definitely
They
go.
go premium. I ain't mad at these shits at all. Yeah, you said you'll give them some rockets this weekend, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They will hit the streets
Oh, this is for the,
effective immediately.
For the MLK dinner?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. This is just weekend rockets.
This is-
The weather hit my window, so it's time to set these puppies out.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a toppie.
Yeah.
That's nuts right there. What is this? This is like the night, like a This is also like, is that like a this? That's a regular material on the inside.
No, it's like a
What is
soft,
this?
like a felt.
Felt.
Yeah, it's like a pool table.
Felt. It's like a pool table on the inside. You know what? I think that the insole is the same thing too. Yeah,
Same thing
yeah.
as
It's like
the insole.
it's nice soft felt.
And it's the same color. Like it's all. If you look at it, it looks like all
Same.
one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, those shits is hard, son.
Yeah.
Those are tough, man. You know.
That's the joints, man.
Yeah, it's
Those
it.
are the
Those
joints.
It. That's it right there. Good shit, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a good sesh. Good sesh right now. Brought some heat to the table. And yeah, those aren't what I expected at all, but I didn't know what to expect, to be honest. Because like we said, we're completely secretive with each other. And we don't tell anybody a damn thing.
Until showtime.
I got joints.
And I will, and like I said, I've had these for almost a month.
Word.
Yeah. And I was just like, we gotta get it up because I stay true to the show. I will not put them on the street until this is taped.
We do our best.
We do our best.
We do our best.
Yeah.
My New Balances didn't come in till today. As soon as they came in, I was like, yo,
Boom.
box in hand, baby.
Let's
You know what
go.
I'm saying? FedEx delivered early to my cribs. I ain't waiting. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Yo, man, no alcohol today. If y'all noticed, I'm
Yeah.
dry January, so I am alcohol free. Trina woke up this morning and was like, I feel great today. I don't know what it is in my body. I feel so good, blah, 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 this and the third. And then she was like, maybe it's because I haven't drank any alcohol. You think?
There's
You
that.
think? You know what I mean? So we chilling with the water today.
Yeah, bro.
Good joint, man. The way we going, man, it's like, I don't know, we averaging a couple of months or so.
Yeah, I need to slow down.
This is going crazy. I'm gonna have to get some more boxes.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So, and I got a couple other joints in my scope, but yeah, we'll try to chill. We'll see.
Yeah.
We might be right back next month.
We'll see.
Good looking, son.
Yeah, man.
We out, yo. Peace.